Stop by and take a look at the 2026 2500. Ram 2500 is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, ventilated front seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.